Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fix this connection closed issue on a Hostinger VPS. So let's get right into it. Now you might have stepped away from your PC for a few minutes, and then when you came back to your terminal you got a connection closed message. So the solution for this is pretty simple. It's just a simple timeout because you didn't initiate any commands for a period of time. So what you would need to do specifically on Hostinger, if you're on their VPS, once you get connection closed, you would just need to exit the terminal window that you're currently on. Then you will be on your Hostinger dashboard. If you're not automatically here, you would just need to go to your Hostinger account, then click on VPS and then VPS overview. From there, just go ahead and click on terminal right here to load up a new terminal. And there we go. So from here you will be able to continue and use the terminal as you would like. But essentially guys, that's how you can fix this connection closed issue on the Hostinger VPS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.